Is your Windows operating system reporting the OCR Library Inf DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. To start the walkthrough for OCR Library Inf, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the OCR Library Inf, the OCR Library Information module. It houses the unmanaged manifests and data link references for the Windows native optical character recognition engine, essential for the search feature to index text inside images. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. If OCR Library Inf DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including OCR Library Inf. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace OCR Library Inf DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for OCR Library Inf. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped OCR Library Inf workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.